Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to display the raw codes in your WordPress website? In this video tutorial, you will learn how to display raw codes into your WordPress blog posts or blog pages. So displaying raw codes will be beneficial for those who are developing a new code teaching website so that users can easily copy the code from their website. As you can see that when I hover onto posts and then I click on all posts, then click on edit on any of my existing posts. Now I'll click on preview. You can see that it only displays the content specified, but what if I want to add a raw code here? So to display the code, let's go back to our WordPress editor. Now here we can see that there are a lot of blocks, so let's search for code block. Now click on code. Now here you have to enter all the code which you want to be displayed as code here. So I'm adding the code. Now I need to click on update button on the top right hand side. And now when you'll preview it, you can see that on your blog post the code is directly being displayed without actually being executed. So that's how easy it is to display raw code onto your own WordPress website.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.